Welcome to the Comm Systems channel. In today's discussion, we'll explore how fiber optic cabling plays a critical role in protecting data by preventing unauthorized access. Every organization, whether it's a hospital, financial institution, or business, relies on secure data transmission. Unauthorized access to sensitive information can lead to data breaches, financial loss, and damaged reputations. While firewalls and software security are important, the physical layer of the network is just as vital. This is where fiber optic cabling stands apart from traditional copper wiring. Copper cables transmit electrical signals, which can be intercepted or tapped using relatively simple equipment. Fiber, on the other hand, transmits information as pulses of light. If someone attempts to tap into a fiber optic line, the process physically disrupts the light signal. This disruption is immediately detectable by monitoring systems, making covert interception nearly impossible. Additionally, fiber is immune to electromagnetic interference, ensuring that data signals can't be leaked or picked up externally. For businesses handling financial records, healthcare data, or government communications, this creates an added layer of security that's built directly into the cabling infrastructure. By combining speed, reliability, and an unmatched level of data protection, fiber optic cabling forms the backbone of secure modern networks, keeping sensitive information safe from unauthorized access. At Comm Systems, we design and install certified fiber optic networks that not only deliver performance but also help safeguard your most critical data. Thank you for watching the Comm Systems channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For more information, call us at 888-501-5885 or visit us online at www.dvcsny.com.